Want to talk about why am I so particular, so deeply into propagating yoga and Ayurveda as a way of life. Of course, there are certain learnings that are part of my, my personal transformation, and how yoga and Ayurveda have really helped me achieve my health goals, my beauty goals, my skin goals, and my life goals as well. But there's a deeper reason why I am very high on propagating yoga and Ayurveda as a lifestyle. So when I see people in their 40s, in their 50s, 60s, and as people getting older, thinking of disease as a way of life has become a very common way of our understanding. So we accept that fact that as we age, disease is something that's naturally going to happen to us, and it cannot be avoided, and this is our fate. So, but when I started learning yoga and Ayurveda, I realized that this understanding is something that's coming from a modern way of living, where with the kind of life that we are living, ultimately it's disease causing, and because it's disease causing, the only approach for us to be able to deal with this way of life is to bank on medications and to accept our fate as a diseased person. But yoga and Ayurveda philosophy does not talk about disease. It very well mentions that you can live a very happy, healthy, hearty life till the time you're there, without worrying about any disease. But there's a way of living a right life. So the kind of modern pressures, the way of life that we live in modern times, is not the approach that will keep you disease free in the long run. So when I started practicing yoga and deeply also got into Ayurveda, I realized a lot of my skin conditions, a lot of my health conditions, a lot of my emotional, mental conditions, physical conditions naturally, gradually started to reverse, and I ended up reversing a lot of health conditions. Thankfully for me, these conditions were not chronic enough. They were like in a phase where they could be easily managed and reversed. And so yoga and Ayurveda approach actually focuses on the fact that if you learn to live right, if you live life in a specific discipline, if you understand that there are cycles of time that exist in the nature, and you live by those cycles, applying the principles of nature in each cycle and the way the cycle changes in the nature, you very well can naturally keep maintaining your health for lifelong. Like, you just need to adapt to what is the demand of the inner environment and the outer environment, and accordingly adjust your diet, adjust your way of life, adjust your exercising patterns, adjust your thought process to all of that, and you give the right environment to the body to stay healthy and well from the inside out. So that has been my motivation of propagating yoga and Ayurveda as a way of life, because I see that when you eat by the seasons, when you eat foods that support your inner physiology, inner chemistry, when you eat foods at the right time, you live by circadian rhythm, you follow a specific discipline into the day, you follow proper dinacharya as Ayurveda talks about, you put your mind into something that's constructive, that's purposeful, you live by all these principles of how nature has defined those for us in these Ayurveda and yoga texts, you automatically are living a life which is disease free. So you don't need to do anything extra, you don't need to bank onto medications, or you don't need to accept your fate as a diseased person in your later life.